Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best beach chairs available on the market right now. The Tommy Bahama 5-Position Classic Lay-Flat Folding Backpack Beach Chair. This beach chair is a must-have for anyone who enjoys outdoor adventures, whether you're heading to the beach, camping by the lake, or simply lounging by the pool. Let's unpack why this chair stands out from the rest. First off, let's talk about comfort. The Tommy Bahama Beach Chair is designed with relaxation in mind. It offers 5 adjustable positions, including a fully flat option for those who want to soak up the sun. The seating area is spacious, ensuring you can settle in comfortably for hours. What's unique about this chair is its patented Safe Adjust technology, which not only makes adjusting positions effortless but also ensures your fingers are safe from pinching a small detail. That enhances the overall user experience. Now, let's discuss durability. Built with a rust-proof aluminum frame and solid construction, this chair is lightweight yet sturdy. It can support up to 250 pounds, making it suitable for most adults without compromising on portability. Convenience is another highlight of the Tommy Bahama Beach Chair. It comes equipped with a handy towel bar at the back, perfect for drying off after a swim, and a spacious mesh pouch for storing essentials like your keys, phone, or sunscreen. Beverage enthusiasts will appreciate the integrated cooler, capable of holding 6 to 8 cans, and an insulated cup holder for keeping drinks cold while you relax under the sun. Plus, there's a built-in bottle opener for added convenience. When it comes to portability, this chair shines. It folds flat and features padded backpack straps, making it easy to carry to and from your outdoor destinations. Whether you're trekking through sand or grass, you'll appreciate its lightweight design. In terms of customer feedback, the Tommy Bahama Beach Chair has garnered praise for its comfort and thoughtful features. Many users commend its reliability and ease of use, making it a popular choice among outdoor enthusiasts. Wrapping up, if you're looking for a beach chair that combines comfort, durability, and convenience, the Tommy Bahama 5-Position Classic Lay-Flat Folding Backpack Beach Chair should definitely be at the top of your list. It's a solid investment for your outdoor escapades. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Stay fresh, stay confident, and I'll see you next time.